In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a plot using coordinates in AutoCAD quickly and accurately. Start by preparing your coordinate data in a simple X and Y format, usually from Excel or another spreadsheet source. Once your coordinates are organized, copy the data and move into AutoCAD. Next, go to the Draw menu, select Point, and then choose Multiple Point. After activating the command, paste your coordinates directly into the command line and press Enter. AutoCAD will instantly generate points based on those coordinates. If you cannot see the points immediately, use Zoom Extents by double-clicking the middle mouse wheel or typing Z then E in the command line. In some cases, the default point style may be too small to notice, so type PTYPE into the command line and select a more visible point marker style. Once the points are visible, you can connect them using line or polyline tools to create boundaries, paths, or mapping layouts. This technique is extremely useful for surveying, plotting, and coordinate-based drafting workflows. Thanks for watching and happy designing with AutoCAD.